Hey there, Mike Wolf here from MikeWolfMastery.com. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm in beautiful Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. And funny thing happened, literally 2 days ago I was in South America, Colombia to be exact, and we had a big snowstorm. This is September, by the way, and we had a big snowstorm in Calgary where I live. And one of the rental properties that I've owned for quite a while in Calgary, because of the heavy snowfall, a couple of trees broke because of the heavy snow that was on them. And I got an email from my property manager saying, we got to cut down 2 of the trees on this property because of they're broken, they're a hazard, we got to take care of it. Now back in the olden days, meaning 10 years ago, that would have cut my vacation short. I would have flown home from Colombia early to deal with all that crap if I had got a call from my tenant. Now I don't get any calls from my tenant. I get an email just from my property manager. It was all taken care of for me. I didn't have to do anything. Not only did I not shorten my trip, I decided, well, you know what, on the way back, I actually stopped in Fort Lauderdale to visit a friend of mine in Florida, and now I flew into Toronto to visit my friend Bill, who's now my cameraman. Thanks for being my videographer.
Anytime, Mike.
And so we came down to Niagara Falls, one of the 7 wonders, natural wonders of the world, to check it out. So it's all so important to have the right people on your team that can handle things for you. You should really try to make your real estate or any other type of business congruent with your lifestyle, not the other way around. Don't build your lifestyle around your business. Build your business around your lifestyle so that you can do the things you love to do, have the freedom in your life, and not have to worry. We get into business so we can have freedom. And as soon as you start to have, if you have the wrong people on your team or you don't have a team, now you've created a job for yourself. Don't create a job, create a life. And so I just want to thank you for tuning in. I'm going to enjoy some more Niagara Falls, and we'll see you soon.